A4. Diamond is the allotrope carbon of the same element. Diamond hochi carbon, marble hochi silicon, sand hochi actually marble or composite of constituent, lime chunna, calcium, marble, sand silicon, ruby, ruby is pink, sand is mixture different metals particles, silicon dioxide, ruby is pink color of blood red color of gemstone, mainly aluminum, L2O3, marble also, lime CO and 20-25% silica, 2 to 4% alumina, L2O3 marble. Cobalt 60 is commonly used in radiation therapy because it emits. Cobalt 60 is commonly used in radiation therapy. Treatment of cancer because it emits high intensity of gamma rays. Calcium, cobalt. So because emits high intensity of gamma rays with relatively long half-life compared to other gamma rays. Sources of a similar intensity. It is a synthetic radioactive isotope of cobalt with a half-life of cancer because it emits high intensity of gamma rays with a relatively long half-life compared to other gamma rays. Similar intensity. It is a synthetic radioactive. Which one of the following is not radioactive? Among the giving options, zirconium is not a radioactive element. Zirconium not a radioactive. With astatine, francium, and tritium are radioactive elements. Radioactive substance is unstable and produces a dangerous kind of radiation by the process of self-disintegration. Radioactive substance is unstable. Radioactive element is unstable and produces a dangerous kind of radiation by the process of self-disintegration. Predictable chemical elements. Reference to the following statement. Correct. Ionization. Correct. Ionization. Actually, only two. In a group element, the electron affinity decreases as the atomic weight increases. Weight increases means affinity decreases. So in a group, vertical column of elements, electron affinity decreases as atomic weight increases. Carbonium. Following metal is very hard and very ductile. Among those, nichrome is very hard and very ductile. Stretchable because it allows a mixture of two or more metals, nichrome, and chromium, iron, and few other elements. Nickel, chromium, iron, German silver. German silver is nickel. Solder, tin, bleaching powder, chlorine, hyposodium, nickel 20%, nickel silver, German silver, silver is an alloy of copper 60%, nickel 20%, zinc 20%. Solder is also an alloy constituting tin 60%, lead 40%. Which one of the following pair of metal constitutes the lightest metal and the heaviest metal? Lightest metal and the heaviest metal. Highest and osmium is the heaviest metal. Lithium is the highest and osmium is the heaviest metal. Lightest, osmium is the heaviest metal. Atomic number, atomic weight density above mentioned. Lithium atom number 3, mercury 80, osmium 76, aluminum 13. Atomic weight number Falling also called stranger gas. Atomic number is highest, which highest atomic mass is highest. Which one of the following is also called a stranger gas? Xenon at the time of discovery was the rarest gas. The name of was derived from Greek word xenos, stranger gas. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and the radon are noble gas. Since these gases are present in air in very small amount, rare gas. Radon is not present in air. Rare gas. Among the halogens. Among the halogens, reactive fluorine due to its highly electronegative character and smaller size. Fluorine level अधिक. Halogen belong to 17th group of periodic table have 7 electrons in their outermost shell. 17 electrons. Reactive decrease down the group. तो reactive कमी classification of element. Among the following, lithium is the brightest, osmium is highest. Atom order of a filling of the orbital is governed by off-bow principles. Atom order of a filling of orbit is governed by. In an atom, the order of a filling of the orbital is governed by off-bow principle, which convey that electrons added to an atom. Which convey that electrons are added to an atom one at a time, starting with a lower energy orbital until all electrons have been placed in an appropriate orbitals.